In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make radial gradients in Adobe Illustrator. Radial gradients are a powerful way to add depth, lighting effects, and smooth color transitions to your shapes and text. Whether you're designing logos, social media graphics, or detailed illustrations, mastering radial gradients can instantly make your designs look more professional. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share a couple of quick tips to help you control the gradient more precisely. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open an existing project. To apply a radial gradient, you'll need an object selected. This can be any shape, like a rectangle, circle, polygon, or even text. So go ahead and select the object you want to apply the gradient to by clicking on it with the selection tool. Once your object is selected, go up to the top menu and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, choose Properties. This will open the Properties panel, which gives you quick access to appearance settings for your selected object. Inside the Properties panel, look for the Appearance section. Under Appearance, you'll see Fill. Click on the Fill color box. This opens the fill options where you can change the color type. Now, instead of choosing a solid color, select Gradient. As soon as you click Gradient, Illustrator will automatically apply a default gradient to your object. By default, this may appear as a linear gradient, which transitions colors in a straight line. To change it to a radial gradient, go to the Gradient settings. In the Gradient section, find the Type drop-down menu. Click on it and select Radial. Immediately, you'll see the gradient change from a straight blend to a circular blend that radiates outward from a central point. At this point, you can customize the colors. In the Gradient slider, you'll see small color stops underneath the gradient bar. Click on one of the color stops to change its color. You can choose a new color from the color panel, enter specific color values, or use the eyedropper tool to sample a color from your design. You can also click below the gradient bar to add new color stops, giving you more complex and dynamic transitions. To adjust how the radial gradient appears inside your object, select a gradient tool from the toolbar or press G on your keyboard. When you click and drag across your object, you'll see an on-screen control that lets you adjust the size, direction, and position of the radial gradient. Drag outward to make the gradient larger, drag inward to concentrate the center, and move the midpoint slider to control how quickly the colors blend. If you're working with text, the process is exactly the same. Select the text, go to Window, then Properties, click the fill box under Appearance, choose Gradient, and set the type to Radial. This works great for creating glowing text effects or soft lighting styles. One quick tip, if you don't see the gradient controls clearly, make sure your object is still selected. Also, double-check that you're editing the fill and not the stroke, unless you specifically want a gradient outline. And that's it. That's how you make radial gradients in Illustrator. As you can see, it only takes a few steps. Select your object, open the Properties panel, click the Fill color box, choose Gradient, and set the type to Radial. From there, you can fully customize the look to match your design style. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.